I'm going to show you 3 easy ways to create your book cover using Canva and the KDP book cover creator tool right now. Here, what I need you to do is to download an app called Canva. So just go to your App Store or your Google Play Store. Okay, so I already have the app, but Canva looks like this. It'll come up, you'll see a blue square with a C, that's their icon. It's called Canva Graphic Design. And I'm gonna go ahead and open it. You can do it right from your phone. It's on your computer as well. All right, now when you get to Canva, by you being a person that's new to Canva, you may have to log in with your Facebook account just so that it can get you started. But once you have done that, I want you to go into the search box and I want you to type in book cover, 2 separate words, and you'll see it there, book cover. When you type in book cover, now you're going to have a few different options. You can either do a blank book cover, or you can look at some of these templates and use one of them. The same thing that's on the computer is on the phone. It's just arranged differently. There's a lot of book covers. Now you guys, some of these book covers that have the graphics available to you, some of them are free and some of them are not. So I'll show you, here's the book cover that I wanted to show you. See where it says silver screen giant? We're gonna use this example. I think it would be really cute for a coming of age white A example book cover. But so go ahead and click the template that you want. Now if you want to do a blank template and you don't want to use these, you want to use your own picture, I'll show you how to do that as well. Now when we get on Amazon, it has the words available for you already. So you don't need to worry about the words on Canva. It will arrange it for you. So I'm just going to delete these words off. The colors, when you click on the color, when you click on whatever you want to change with color, different colors will come up. I have my brand color saved, so that comes up. But you can go right here where you see like the rainbow box. You can push that and you can choose different colors. And if you want them, like see how it's going to red. If I wanted, I would take that little dot that's on the left and move it all the way to the red if red was what I wanted. Which red is a very inviting psychological color for a cover. And we'll go ahead and use the bottom. We'll take the bottom and make that white. It already has the white square here, so all we have to do is push that. If you make a mistake and there's something that you don't like and you want to undo it, the arrow to the left will undo it. The only thing I don't like is in the right corner. This is still there, and I'm trying to delete that. And I don't know if you saw that, but the little trash can is for deleting things. You just touch it and hit the trash can if there's something you want to delete. And the actual title to this book and the author name and all that will be added over on KDP, which is where we're publishing through Amazon. Boom. And if you just save that, what you would do, if you like it, all you would have to do is, if you see the arrow that goes up with the bracket, hit that arrow, and you're going to have the option to save it as an image. Go ahead and save it as an image, and it'll be on your phone. If you go to your phone now and your photos, now this is an image on my camera. Do you see? Now this is an image on my phone, and we can actually use this. It's already made in the correct size, and we can use it when we're making our book covers using the book cover creator tool inside of KDP for Amazon. I'm going to show you now, if you didn't want to use a template, what you could do. Okay, so we're going to go back to Canva. So we want to create a new design. And sometimes if you just scroll up the top, you'll see book cover. But if you don't see it right here, you can always just type it in the search bar. The next thing that you could do is you could go blank. So click blank. Remember, it's already sized for especially a Kindle ebook. We're going to hit that blue, you see that blue circle with the plus sign? We're going to tap that. That gives us all the options where we can place content or a picture, or if we wanted words or shapes inside of this perfectly measured blank book cover. So I'm going to click images because we're going to get our text from KDP on Amazon, so we don't need to really worry about text. So I'm going to click images. When I click images, it's going to give me two options. I can either use my camera roll or use images that Canva actually offers. And Canva offers over 1 million images, as you see. Some of them are free and some of them are not. So it'll say free next to the images that are free, obviously. And the ones that are not, it'll either have a $sign, sometimes it'll have a symbol on it. But if you want to purchase it, usually they are like the lowest price for buying royalty pictures. Like maybe it's usually like no more than $2. Okay, so if you want to, since they have so many pictures, you can go in the search bar and search a term that's related to your genre or style of book. I'm going to use romance in this example for now. That's cute. I don't know. I love red. I think red draws people in. Okay, now if you see the word Canva and you see like these little, it almost looks like a fence, this little grid, then that is one that is not free. So that's how you can tell that that's not free. If you want to remove it, all you have to do is just touch the picture and hit the little garbage can that'll be in the right corner when there's a picture. Just push plus and go right back to images. You can go pick camera roll or you can pick images. Yeah, so when you see those little coins, and sometimes there's like a crown, that means it's not free. Again, they're not that expensive anyway, so. But you want to kind of be sure that it's something you want if you purchase it, obviously. And I think it tends to be the further you go down, the more it's only the ones that are not free, and the higher at the top is the ones that are free. So I'm clicking on the picture that I want. Now, you'll notice that the picture does not fill out the size of the book cover. So you'll see that there's these little, there's dots on each corner. And then you'll see there's like a dash looking tool on each side. If you just want to make it big, grab the dot and stretch it. If you want to make it taller, just stretch the tool. Now it maybe you don't like the way it's centered. You can just with your 2 fingers shrink the picture back down. It will turn too. And you can just maybe leave it small and then stretch it out inch by inch on each side to make sure you're not losing any of the picture. You can do that as well. and just push it over to the left, and then pull from the right until you're sure that you're not losing any of the picture. And you can just play around with it. Just make sure it covers to the end. And boom, there you have it. Go ahead and hit done. Because remember, the title and the name of the author, all that is going to go in on KDP for Amazon. Same thing, just hit that. You see in the green on the right side, you have the up arrow with the bracket. Hit the bracket, save it as an image. Now it'll be on your phone under your photos and ready for. I'm going to show you the third way. One more way, which will be using your own photo. We are going to go ahead and go back to Canva. This time we're going to use a photo of our own. And just hit the plus sign on the left. It'll take you to the ability to make a new sign. You can go right under create new design and click book cover, or you can type in the search box the word book cover, the 2 words book cover. So we're gonna use our own photo, so we're definitely gonna use blank. We don't need a template. And we're gonna go ahead and push the plus sign. We're gonna choose images. And we're gonna take images off our camera roll. So she wanted to use her family photo from when she was married. So all we had to do was just click that, and boom, it's on there. You just stretch it out until it's how you want it without getting rid of the photo. I'm pushing the upper bar, and then I'll push the right bar, left bar, until I'm happy with the photo. Now, there's some part of the picture that's gray on the bottom that we don't need, so I'm just gonna pull that down. And boom, we've got our picture. Make sure you do have a high quality photo though. And all we have to do is hit done. And that little green bracket, hit save as image. Wait for it to prepare your design. And it will be in your photos. And it'll be it's not the fact that you're putting a photo on your phone, it's the fact that it is the size that you need for a book. All right, any questions, please put it in the comments below.